Communication is the backbone of every healthy relationship. Whether you're just starting out or have been together for years, how you talk and listen to each other shapes your connection. Good communication helps you understand your partner's needs, resolve conflicts, and build trust. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to communicate better so you can strengthen your bond and navigate challenges together. Let's start by understanding why communication is so important and how it impacts every aspect of your relationship, from daily routines to big life decisions. One of the most powerful tools in communication is active listening. This means truly focusing on what your partner is saying, without planning your response or interrupting. When you listen actively, you show respect and make your partner feel valued. Try to maintain eye contact, nod, and give verbal cues like "I see" or "go on." This encourages your partner to share openly. Remember, listening is not just about hearing words, but also understanding the emotions behind them. Practicing active listening can transform the way you connect and resolve misunderstandings. Clear expression is key to avoiding misunderstandings. When you share your thoughts or feelings, use I statements instead of you statements. For example, say "I feel upset when" instead of "you always make me upset." This approach reduces defensiveness and helps your partner understand your perspective. Be honest, but also gentle with your words. Take a moment to think before you speak, especially during emotional conversations. Clear, respectful communication builds a safe space for both partners to express themselves. Words are just one part of communication. Nonverbal cues like body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice can say even more than what you speak. Pay attention to your partner's nonverbal signals and be mindful of your own. Are you crossing your arms, avoiding eye contact, or raising your voice? These actions can send unintended messages. Positive nonverbal communication, like smiling or gentle touch, can reinforce your words and show affection. Being aware of these signals helps you connect on a deeper level. Choosing the right time to talk can make a big difference. If you or your partner are tired, stressed, or distracted, it's harder to have a productive conversation. Try to pick a moment when you both can focus and are in a calm state of mind. If a topic is sensitive, let your partner know you'd like to talk and ask when would be a good time. Respecting each other's needs for space and timing shows care and increases the chances of a positive outcome. Assumptions can quickly lead to misunderstandings and hurt feelings. Instead of guessing what your partner thinks or feels, ask open-ended questions and listen to their answers. Clarify anything that's unclear, and don't be afraid to check in with your partner about their perspective. This approach prevents miscommunication and helps both of you feel heard and understood. Remember, every person is unique, and what seems obvious to you might not be the same for your partner. Emotions can run high in relationships, especially during disagreements. It's important to recognize your feelings and manage them before communicating. If you're upset, take a few deep breaths or step away for a moment to cool down. Express your emotions calmly and respectfully, without blaming or attacking your partner. When both people feel safe to share their feelings, it's easier to resolve conflicts and grow closer together. Feedback is a natural part of any relationship, but how you give it matters. Focus on specific behaviors rather than personal attacks. For example, instead of saying "you're always late," try "I feel worried when you're late because I care about you." Offer suggestions for improvement and acknowledge your partner's efforts. Constructive feedback helps your relationship grow, while criticism or blame can create distance. It's not always easy to hear feedback, especially if it's about something sensitive. Try to listen without interrupting or becoming defensive. Remember that your partner's feedback comes from a place of care and a desire to improve the relationship. Ask questions if you need clarification, and thank your partner for being honest. Receiving feedback gracefully shows maturity and helps you both learn and grow. Laughter can be a great way to ease tension and bring you closer together. However, it's important to use humor wisely. Avoid jokes that might hurt your partner's feelings or make light of serious topics. Instead, share lighthearted moments and inside jokes that strengthen your bond. Humor can help you both relax and see things from a new perspective, but always be sensitive to your partner's boundaries. Healthy communication includes setting and respecting boundaries. Talk openly about your needs, limits, and what makes you comfortable or uncomfortable. Boundaries help both partners feel safe and respected. If something bothers you, express it calmly and clearly. Likewise, listen and honor your partner's boundaries. This mutual respect creates a strong foundation for trust and intimacy. Regular check-ins help keep your relationship on track. Set aside time to talk about how you're both feeling and any concerns that may have come up. These conversations don't have to be formal. Sometimes a simple "how are we doing" is enough. Checking in shows that you care about your partner's well-being and are committed to growing together. It also helps catch small issues before they become bigger problems. Everyone makes mistakes, but a sincere apology can go a long way in repairing trust. When you apologize, take responsibility for your actions and express genuine regret. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame. A heartfelt apology shows your partner that you value the relationship and are willing to make things right. This simple act can heal wounds and bring you closer together. Forgiveness is essential for moving forward after a conflict. Holding on to grudges can create distance and resentment. When your partner apologizes, try to let go of past hurts and focus on rebuilding trust. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, but it does mean choosing to move forward together. This process takes time and effort from both sides, but it's a powerful way to strengthen your relationship. Don't forget to celebrate the good moments. Sharing your achievements, big or small, brings joy and positivity into your relationship. Celebrate each other's successes and milestones, and express pride in your partner's accomplishments. These celebrations create happy memories and reinforce your support for one another. A relationship thrives when both partners feel appreciated and uplifted. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship. The key is to handle them respectfully and constructively. Focus on the issue, not the person, and avoid bringing up past arguments. Use calm language and listen to your partner's point of view. Try to find common ground and work toward a solution together. Remember, it's okay to agree to disagree sometimes, as long as you both feel heard and respected. When challenges arise, approach them as a team. Brainstorm solutions together and consider each other's ideas. Be open to compromise and willing to try new approaches. Working together to solve problems not only strengthens your partnership, but also builds trust and resilience. Remember, you're on the same side, and facing challenges together can bring you even closer. A little appreciation goes a long way. Take time to thank your partner for the things they do, whether it's making dinner, listening to you, or just being there. Expressing gratitude makes your partner feel valued and motivates both of you to keep nurturing the relationship. Simple gestures like a compliment or a note can brighten your partner's day and deepen your connection. Everyone gives and receives love differently. Some people value words of affirmation, while others prefer acts of service, gifts, quality time, or physical touch. Take time to learn your partner's love language and share yours as well. When you communicate love in a way your partner understands, you both feel more connected and appreciated. This understanding can transform your relationship and prevent misunderstandings. Busy schedules can make it hard to connect, but making time for each other is essential. Set aside regular moments to talk, share experiences, or simply enjoy each other's company. Even small rituals, like a daily check-in or a weekly date night, can keep your relationship strong. Prioritizing time together shows your partner that they matter and helps you stay emotionally connected. Life stresses can spill over into your relationship, but facing them together makes you stronger. Talk openly about what's causing stress and support each other through tough times. Sometimes, just knowing your partner is there for you can make a big difference. Practice patience and empathy, and remember that you're a team. Facing challenges together builds resilience and deepens your bond. No two people are exactly alike, and that's a good thing. Respecting each other's differences in opinions, backgrounds, and personalities is crucial for a healthy relationship. Instead of trying to change your partner, appreciate what makes them unique. Celebrate your differences and find ways to learn from each other. This respect creates a richer, more fulfilling partnership. Being present means giving your full attention to your partner when you're together. Put away distractions, like phones or TV, and focus on the moment. Listen actively and engage in the conversation. Being present shows your partner that they are important to you and helps you build a deeper emotional connection. Even a few minutes of undivided attention can make a big difference. Empathy is the ability to understand and share your partner's feelings. When you practice empathy, you put yourself in your partner's shoes and try to see things from their perspective. This helps you respond with kindness and support, even during disagreements. Empathy builds trust and makes your partner feel truly understood. It's a skill that takes practice, but it's worth the effort. Modern life is full of distractions, from smartphones to social media. When you're having an important conversation, try to minimize these interruptions. Turn off notifications, put your phone away, and create a quiet space to talk. This shows your partner that you value their time and are fully invested in the conversation. Avoiding distractions helps you communicate more effectively and strengthens your relationship. Technology can help you stay connected, especially if you're apart. Use texts, calls, or video chats to check in and share your day. However, be mindful not to let technology replace face-to-face conversations. Balance online and offline communication and use technology to support, not substitute, your relationship. Setting boundaries around screen time can help you stay present and connected. Compromise is a vital part of any relationship. It means finding solutions that work for both partners, even if it requires some give and take. Approach disagreements with an open mind and a willingness to meet halfway. Compromising doesn't mean giving up your needs, but rather finding a balance that respects both people's perspectives. This skill helps you navigate challenges and maintain harmony. A strong relationship is built on mutual support. Encourage your partner's dreams and ambitions, and share your own goals as well. Celebrate achievements and offer help during setbacks. Supporting each other's growth creates a partnership where both people can thrive. When you cheer each other on, you build a foundation of trust and encouragement. Long-distance relationships require extra effort in communication. Set regular times to talk and share updates about your lives. Use video calls to maintain a sense of closeness, and send messages or photos to stay connected throughout the day. Be honest about your feelings and discuss any concerns openly. With trust and commitment, you can overcome the challenges of distance and keep your relationship strong. Jealousy can arise in any relationship, but open communication can help you manage it. Talk honestly about your feelings and listen to your partner's perspective. Avoid accusations or assumptions, and focus on building trust. Reassure each other of your commitment and discuss boundaries if needed. Addressing jealousy together can prevent misunderstandings and strengthen your bond. Some conversations are more difficult than others, especially when discussing sensitive topics like finances, family, or future plans. Approach these discussions with care and patience. Set aside time to talk without distractions and agree to take breaks if emotions run high. Use respectful language and focus on finding solutions together. Navigating sensitive topics with empathy and understanding can bring you closer and help you grow as a couple. Affection is a vital part of any relationship. Express your love through words, gestures, or small acts of kindness, whether it's a hug, a compliment, or a thoughtful note. These expressions show your partner that you care. Regularly expressing affection keeps the romance alive and helps both partners feel valued and secure. Honesty is the foundation of trust in any relationship. Be open about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, even if they're difficult to share. Avoid hiding things or telling white lies, as these can erode trust over time. When both partners are honest, it's easier to resolve conflicts and build a strong, lasting connection. Mistakes are inevitable, but they can be valuable learning opportunities. When something goes wrong, reflect on what happened and how you can do better next time. Talk openly with your partner about what you've learned and how you'll move forward together. Learning from mistakes helps your relationship grow and prevents the same issues from repeating. Patience is essential, especially when working through challenges or misunderstandings. Give your partner time to process their thoughts and feelings, and avoid rushing solutions. Practice patience with yourself as well, recognizing that growth takes time. Staying patient helps you both feel respected and supported, even during tough times. Encourage your partner to share their thoughts and feelings by creating a safe and non-judgmental environment. Ask open-ended questions and listen without criticism. When both partners feel free to express themselves, communication becomes more honest and meaningful. Openness leads to deeper understanding and a stronger relationship. Relationships go through many changes over time. Whether it's a new job, moving, or starting a family, adapting together is key. Talk openly about changes and how they affect you both. Support each other through transitions and be willing to adjust your routines or expectations. Flexibility and open communication help you navigate life's changes as a team. Sometimes, communication challenges can feel overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek help from a counselor or therapist if you're struggling to connect. Professional support can provide new tools and perspectives to improve your relationship. Asking for help is a sign of strength and commitment to making your relationship the best it can be. Trust is built through consistent, honest communication and keeping your promises. Be reliable and follow through on your commitments. If trust is broken, work together to rebuild it through transparency and patience. Trust takes time to develop, but it's the foundation of a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Healthy relationships balance togetherness with independence. Encourage each other to pursue individual interests and maintain friendships outside the relationship. Respecting each other's need for space helps prevent resentment and keeps your connection strong. Communication about boundaries and expectations is key to finding the right balance. It's important to communicate your needs clearly and respectfully. Don't expect your partner to read your mind. Be direct about what you need, whether it's more affection, support, or time together. Expressing your needs helps prevent frustration and ensures both partners feel satisfied in the relationship. Criticism can be hard to hear, but it's part of every relationship. Try to separate the message from the delivery and look for the underlying concern. Respond calmly and avoid getting defensive. Use criticism as an opportunity to learn and grow rather than as a personal attack. This approach helps you both improve and maintain a positive connection. Emotional safety means feeling secure enough to share your true thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or rejection. Create this safety by listening without criticism, validating your partner's feelings, and responding with empathy. When both partners feel emotionally safe, communication becomes more open and honest, leading to a deeper connection. Instead of seeing differences as obstacles, celebrate them as opportunities to learn and grow. Each partner brings unique strengths and perspectives to the relationship. Embrace these differences and use them to complement each other. Celebrating what makes you unique can lead to a richer, more dynamic partnership. Improving communication in your relationship is a journey, not a destination. By practicing active listening, expressing yourself clearly, and supporting each other through challenges, you can build a stronger, more fulfilling partnership. Remember, every couple is different, so find what works best for you and your partner. Keep learning, growing, and communicating with love and respect. Your efforts will pay off in a happier, healthier relationship.